We tested this blueberry bread so many times to get it just right. The crumb is tender, perfectly sweet, and I know some of you hate the word, but I'm gonna say it. Thanks to an entire cup of yogurt, it turns out incredibly moist. The dry ingredients are simple: flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and a bit of cinnamon. For the wet ingredients, start with brown and granulated sugar, oil, and butter. The butter adds flavor and the oil keeps the bread ridiculously moist. Add 3 eggs, one at a time, whisking after each. Then add a thick yogurt like Greek or Icelandic and finish with a splash of vanilla. Pour the wet into the dry and stir until just combined. Then before adding the blueberries, toss them in a little flour to prevent them from sinking to the bottom of your loaf. Fold those in, scoop the batter into a loaf pan, smooth the top, and add a small handful of extra blueberries. Bake for about an hour until tall, golden brown, and springy when lightly touched. Let it cool, then it's time for our yogurt icing. It's just powdered sugar, yogurt, milk, and a tiny bit of vanilla. Pour it all over the top. Let it set for 10 minutes and slice away. See how tender and moist it looks? Our family is in love with this one.